So there's this like misconception that people get with algos and bots and things. They think that they're gonna win just automatically because it's an algo and that it can't lose. And that's not true. With algos, we're going on statistics. Conditions change in markets, what they'll lose, and they have win streaks, break-even streaks, and losing streaks, just like any other type of trading. So you have to complement it with your own trades. And here is a scalp that I just did, and it's literally $2,000 in a couple of minutes. So algos are awesome. They will make you money, but it's an overtime thing. It isn't an instant thing. Most algos you lose at first until it gains traction and builds profit. So if you want to learn how to scalp, let me know. So this is the profit and loss for someone's accounts that runs our algos, and they've been going about a month, and this is what they have so far. And these were started out as 50s, and they're in profit, and it's been up and down for the last couple of weeks, so we're kind of stagnant, but they're still in profit. The thing is once these are all funded, even though that it's a month that only did 1,500 and 1,300 and whatever, that's times 15 accounts. So it's going to make money, but you've got to remember that algos don't just win every single day. It's impossible. They have losing streaks, winning streaks, and break-even streaks, and you have to account for that. You can't just go into it and say, "Oh, I'm just going to make all this money and I'm going to get this account funded immediately," and things can happen. There's all kinds of things. You're dealing with tech. Something can break. Something cannot work. You may miss a signal because of whatever reason. There's all kinds of things. It's running in the background, and it's making money, and you don't have to do anything. That's the beauty of algos. Now, if you're only going to trade with algos, that's fine. The thing is you're at the whim of the conditions of the market, right? It's going to take the setup no matter what. It's an algo. That's why we're using it. The human emotion's being removed. But if conditions change, then it's going to lose until conditions are favorable, and then it'll win, right? So I just want to put that out there for people that trade algos, that you're not going to win all the time. When you have something that says 60% win rate, 40% of those trades lose, and people just automatically freak out over it. It's like, man, that's almost half of the trades are going to lose, right? And then, but you've got to look at the statistics and the profit factor, and what is profit factor saying? Is it positive? Yes. Okay. Over time, that thing makes money. Chill out or don't use them. Anyways, have a good one.